Hi there, John Foster RC here. So just a quick video update as to where I am on my Carisma Scale Adventure Range Rover. I've actually got the chassis now all fixed together, and I've actually now put in some of the electronics. So you can see the speed controller and the receiver is all sitting there now, and it's all looking pretty good. Got a little bit of tidying of the cabling to do here, so I'll sort that cable tidying out. I'm just waiting for a servo to turn up so I can pop a servo into the front here. Then that will sort out my steering, and once that's done I'll be able to then finalize the cabling and make sure that the cabling is nice and tidy. I've been also working on the body, and I shall show you where I am on the body.